So we will talk about error 7 current detector fault. Okay, so this is normally this fault come when VFD is detecting the fault current, how much current, like 10 ampere, 20 ampere, how much current your motor is taking. Okay, so it is depends on like current could be depends on like inverter rating or Hall city circuit. Okay, so there is a circuit inside of the VFD which is which circuit is getting the data from CT current transformer to calculate like what is the output current. Okay, so when it is like measuring out of the tolerance. Okay, so in that case only this error is coming. So if this error coming, like it could be like major chances are inside of the fault of CT, and which is giving the data to your PCB, like printed circuit board. So it is major chance that it will be repair, or into the repair you need to replace the power card, or like that could be the CT also. So your manufacturer will support you in this situation. If your problem is still not resolved, first, you have to take my membership, and then you can write a mail to me with detailed problem with the screenshot of the membership. I will provide you solution, and I will give you one PDF also which will help you to resolve all your issue, and I will support continue.